been working it, you know. Yeah, man, we better go a little crazy today. Got the whole family out here today, one, you know. We outside, good old Sunday fun day. I done got them jumps in the day, boy. I feel like a whole different human being. Oh boy, they about to take off. Okay. Good little boy, out the gate. Yes, sir. That boy leak on that 1-2 people. You good on gas leak?
He ran that motherfucker clean.
Who did? He did.
I'm looking back like, oh shit, it's a snake. He looked at me and said, I think that bitch was poisonous. That's why, like,
damn.
I don't want him to get stuck in this shit. And,
yeah. We got him back. Part 2. There we go. Part 2.
Nope.
We going back again. We about to run it back. You know what I'm Yeah, that boy Jack got out. 250 motherfuckers. Woo!
Bruh.
Yeah, that was a good ass thing, boy. Boy, what?